The Digication Library is probably better understood as the template library. There are two ways to access the Digication Library. First is by creating a new portfolio. So we'll go ahead and create a new portfolio from here. And what this does, when you create a portfolio, it brings up the library, the Digication Library. And you'll choose a template from the library. This library is, when you're creating templates, this is where your templates go. They go into this library. Each user will have different templates available to them. This library houses things that are public, things that are shared with specific courses that you're involved in, things that you've created. Each library is kind of tailored to each user experience based on how you're using Digication. So from here, where I've started a new portfolio, this is where I would select the template that I want to use. I'm going to just click Create from Scratch, and then we will go through the process of what the second way to access the Digication Library does. So once this portfolio populates, now what we're going to do is pretend that I've created this portfolio. This was all I wanted, but now I'm in a new class or I'm doing a new portfolio for something else, but I want to keep the elements of this portfolio, but I need to add the elements of the other. So this is where the library comes into play when you're already in a portfolio. Now, when you hover over the Digication icon and bring down your menu, there's a library icon here that only appears when you're in your ePortfolio. So I'm going to click Library, and what that will do is it will automatically open the template library. So now that we've opened the library here again, we're going to find a template that we want to add to this current portfolio. And we'll just go with the eWolf Peak. So I'll select the template, and then I'm going to click Use this template. It will bring down the portfolios that are available for me to add this template to. So you'll want to make sure that you're adding it to the correct portfolio. So I'm going to click the one that I just created. I only have the one page, and you have to add it to a page. So I'm going to just click Add to Page, Save Settings, and Add. And what this is actually going to do is it's going to build everything under that page. So to fix that, I would just unlock my header, edit the menu bar, and I would just pull everything out that was in this template to be its own page. And I don't actually need that home page, so we'll just save. And once that finishes, now we've populated that other template within this portfolio that we created from the Scratch template that was in the Digication Library.